Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What a beautiful car we've just arrived in, direct off the one local lady owner. Car is absolutely beautiful. This is the Vauxhall Adam Energiser, version Let It Blue metallic with a contrast black roof and the black alloys. Looks absolutely gorgeous, I think. Beautiful combination, stunning colour. It really is, especially when the sunlight just catches the blue. Full Vauxhall service history, serviced less than 100 miles ago. Great spec on these, lovely looking car. This one's also got front and rear parking sensors, which is an option. The boot opens just by literally clicking onto the badge. Good sized boot for the car. All nice and clean. It's got the protective load liner in there. No damage across there at all. Split folding rear seats. All nice and straight there, no damage whatsoever on the loading area. All down the bodywork, all down the sides, there's no dents, no scratches, no scrapes. Rear privacy glass. Black mirror caps. It is actually black metallic, the roof is. Might just look flat black, but look at the metallic flakes there. Looks gorgeous. Gloss black alloys, all of them in great condition. No damage on any of these. Beautiful all the way around. Matching Continental tyres. There's the front sensors on it. Just gleaming away. 1.2 engine. It's got the part leather, part cloth sports trim. All in great condition. No damage anywhere there. And again in the back, all the seats, all the trims. Non-smoker's car, no horrible smells in here. ISOFIX as well. Very nice with the blue carried on inside the vehicle as well, on the dashboard and the side trims. All in great condition. Love the dashboard, just look at that. Very nice indeed. Got air conditioning, 5-speed manual gearbox, USB input in there, electric windows, electric mirrors, stereo CD, that's great, multifunctional leather steering wheel, Bluetooth connection, cruise control. Great spec car. Just 32,182 miles, that's what it's done, 32,182 miles. As I mentioned, full Vauxhall service history, serviced less than 100 miles ago. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your payments on HP or PCP. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve, just to make sure nobody else beats you to it. Multi-award winning dealer Specialist Car Stoke. Any further details, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. The phone number again, if for any further details, is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.